பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் அற்புத ரேசு டிவி, சென்னையின் முதல் கத்தோலிக்க சேனல்.
வணக்கம். என்னோட பேர் நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம், அற்புத ரேசு டிவியோட ஃபவுண்டர். இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க நான் உங்களை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றேன்.
ஜொராஸ்ட்ரனிசம் சார்பாக பர்வஸ் எஸ் முல்லா அவர்களை அன்போடு அழைக்கின்றேன். டு ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆன் தி தீம் ஜர்னி டுகெதர், ஒன்றாக பயணிப்போம் என்ற சிந்தனையை அவருடைய பார்வையில் வழங்க அன்போடு கேட்டுக்கொள்கின்றேன்.
A very good evening to one and all who are congregated here in this initiation by our Pope, the Holy Pope Francis, who is leading the way to peace and harmony, and invited all faiths and religions to congregate here and share their views and opinions and contribute to the happenings that are going to happen in the future. I, on behalf of the Zoroastrians, the Parsi community of Chennai, have been invited here. I'm not much of a speaker. I'm just a human being, and I consider myself to be an instrument, only an instrument, a tool in the divine plan of the universe. And whatever we have to do in this lifespan, we do it and just move along. Here we are trying to initiate peace, and from my limited knowledge and what I've learned, it's not my own, it's from the scriptures, from elders. Peace and communal harmony is not something that is obtainable. You can't find it in a particular place. It's not a destination. You can't go there, a particular place, and say, yeah, peace is available there, go and bring it and come. Peace is something like the earlier example given by the speaker, referring to a child. When born, is so pure, innocent, free from any blemishes, and so it is totally peaceful. But as and how it grows, it gets influenced by the environment, people around, and this taints the purity, and the peace that it originally came with is not there anymore. So peace is not a destination, peace is an attitude, peace is a state of the mind. If we want to find peace, there is a saying, it is difficult to find peace within. It is difficult to find peace within, but it is impossible to find it anywhere else. It is impossible to find it anywhere else. So if you are going to go around places, trekking here and there, peace is available somewhere there, grace is available somewhere there. No, peace is something that is within. So the further you go out, the further you are going away from peace. So you practice looking within to find the peace. If you can find the peace within yourself, you can influence it and spread it to others. Just like how COVID spread, we can influence and spread peace also. We need not be wearing masks. Right now we are all wearing masks. We are forced to wear these masks, but even otherwise, without the masks also, we are masking ourselves. We are not truly and genuinely showing what we are. We are covering ourselves up only to create an impression. Even now, I too can be taken for granted that I am talking like as if I am a very big person, only to create an impression. No, that's not it. If you have to find peace, if you create an impression, it's a short-lived impression. It is not something that is going to stay. It's not going to be stamped. And what we need, and what you don't need at all, because it is there within us. It is a divine plan that is given to us, but we don't use it. Again, there's another saying, the world is just a projection of your thoughts. So, only if you have peace within you, can you project it out in the world. I'm only sharing these things with you. I'm not talking big or not wanting to, to carry away the show or anything that way. But I'm reminding you of the fact these are things that we have learned, but we don't remember it. Peace is the capacity to accept. This is a very important thing. Peace is the capacity to accept all happenings, things, and results as it is, not as expected. It is only our expectations which are not met create turbulence, disturbances, and we distance ourselves from peace. Now, these are the things that have struck me that I should share with you all. I'm doing this as best as I can. Even if somebody or the other has understood it, I've done my bit. If I have not, please forgive me. Thank you very much.
பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் அற்புதர் இயேசு டிவி, சென்னையின் முதல் கத்தோலிக்க சேனல்.
வணக்கம். என்னோட பேர் நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம், அற்புதர் இயேசு டிவியோட ஃபவுண்டர். இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க நான் உங்களை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றேன்.